important to make sure you can do the job before the car gets here, because after all, you don't have the car. So I'll show you a quick way, 15 seconds, on how to check something on the diagnostic tool to make sure you can do the job before the customer gets to your workshop. So if the customer's on the phone or stood in the desk in front of you, from the hub, select the car software, enter the vehicle details. We're going to be using the reg. The vehicle's then automatically selected. We go to the new quick find menu, and from there we just tap in battery if we're going to do a 12-volt battery replacement. We can see that we have the function available, so we know we can do the job. But what's important is you read the help file, because in this example, we say here that once it's been programmed, the vehicle needs to go to sleep mode for at least 3 hours, so you can advise the customer accordingly. Thanks for watching. For more videos, then why not follow us on social media or visit the Masters of Motion online hub. And for more technical-led content, then check out the Delphi Academy. See you next time.